a Rishikesh, a Tapo Bhumi. Tapo means where the person is coming and he is burning, means he is practicing, in this land where the Himalayas are starting. And a Himalaya is a sacred land where the sages, where they have meditated, where they have realized a truth. So this Rishikesh itself is the land of the seeker, where the seeker comes from all over the world, and they come in this place just to be, they need some space where they can sit and be calm, and they can seek what they are seeking.
So people who come here, they are in different places in their life journey, but they all have something in common, and they're seekers. They seek something within, and this place here is a perfect spot where people can come. It's very, very peaceful. It's located right next to the river Ganges, and it's surrounded by her healing energy.
The nature is so beautiful, so rich, and the place is very peaceful. You can enjoy Ganga and enjoy meditation near it, so it's a very nice place.
I think Rishikesh itself is a special place. You can actually feel the vibe in the place of the religion, if I can call it like that. The mountain and I think the river is what make this place absolutely fabulous to be with.
So I think when we sit along to the Ganges, this river is a magical. This river gives you that space that you can sit. It's like a kind of a mother, that it's not judging you. Like as a mother, don't judge his child what his child have done something wrong or right. She accept always her child, So the Ganges also seems when you sit, it's not judging you. It's give you that space that you can come, you can sit, and whatever you want to express, you can express. She is free, you are free to express yourself, and she is free, she is open to have that. So you are singing, you are sitting along her, you are going with your thoughts, so she can take your thoughts very deeply.
I came here to learn about yoga, and this place, and especially Yogichi, who is the main teacher, helped me to find the fire inside of me for yoga, and it's burning high now. I find yoga and the yogic lifestyle very, very interesting and very, very deep.
I feel good in Mahatma Yoga Ashram. It is
very quiet and peaceful place, and it's like it has its own energy, its own spirit, if you could say so. And when I'm here, I feel the peacefulness.
But the atmosphere in this place is phenomenal. From that you walk in at the reception, you're greeted very nicely with a smile. Yogi himself, I don't know if you've met him, he's a great guy. But the people staying with us, doing the yoga with us, we all feel we belong here.
As I can see, there are a lot of such places, but they are more near to the city. It's more crowded and more noisy, but this place is very peaceful, and if you like more calm and peaceful atmosphere, so it's better place.
I really like the rooms in ashram. They are clean and wide. There's lots of space in them for my stuff, and they have like sun in there from the window, and I can see a Ganga from the window. I can go out and go to the beach. It's like 2 minutes from the room, so that's really nice. And they have filtered water as well here, so it's a big plus. Yeah, nice rooms.
It's come up an idea that having some kind of a community, where we all can get together and we can share the knowledge, the knowledge of the yoga, the knowledge not only of the yoga of the asana. There's the other sort of the knowledge which we can come together and we can share, because people have so much within them. It's not only like I can say like I have so much to share with the people. They're having also so much to share with us. This place was not only for the growing for this community who are coming here. This place was also for growing me myself also.
It's also very good and peaceful as this place, and all the people are very nice, very polite. And also I like that every evening there is a fireplace where you can sit near it, like chat, communicate with other people. It's very like at home.
Staff is very friendly and helpful. Sometimes if you want a tea, you can ask them and they will make it and bring it into your room even, so that's nice. They clean the ashram every day, so that's nice. And yeah, they're very friendly and they make good food, because you can eat at the ashram. It's very tasty food as well.
Yogichi is an amazing person. He has taught me very much about life in general, about the simplicity of life, about yoga, about meditation, about how we can live and look inwards, so that we can find the happiness and the peace inside of us. As a yoga teacher, Yogichi is really meticulous. It's really going deep into his practices. He's really, really dedicated, and for me it's really inspiring. I found it really, really inspiring. And at the same time he's really caring. And there is something really, really warm about his teaching and about his wisdom and about his personality and how he teach and help guide the other people.
We walk into the class, you feel comfortable. Yogi is a great master, I think that's what I call them. And because we are a small class, I think it was easy for him to recognize and help you the whole time. So it feels like it's personal. It's not like 200 people in a drop-in class. So it's definitely worth spending that little bit more money and being in a smaller yoga ashram.
Our purpose of the program into our ashram to make a foundation for the person, that they can understand their body, they can understand their move, they can understand the pose much better, they can understand the things which is going within them, they can be much more aware about everything what they are doing on.
Yogaji makes maybe more complicated yoga as for me, but it's very good because he explains every asana, and I think for beginners it's also very useful.
This is our purpose. So this shows us, like when we do the practical sort of the yoga and asana also, meditations also, and chantings also, and the life into the ashram here, all the life in the ashram here also is more as based on to being aware. So first thing, what the yoga is giving you, it's like a balancing your mind, it's relaxing your mind, it's bringing the calmness, the peace within yourself. And secondly, when we see the yoga also as a practical aspect of the yoga within an asana also, so it's not only a one particular kind of move. There's a different variations of the move. It's working out in your whole body, from your tip to your toe. The ashram is also focusing on to the Ayurveda, because it's also a very important part of balancing. So how we can get that healthy lifestyle, so we having a routine for that one, the structure for that one, in which the food, the times of waking up, the sleeping, and how you are spending the day, managing the day. So our structure is a very balanced, which helps the person also to get onto that well-being by having that yogic lifestyle, by having that Ayurvedic approach, the healthy approach, the nourishing approach towards himself. So it's overall very constructive program, which 1 week person staying here can get a result, like a big result, big change into his life.
this ashram isn't like ordinary hotel where you just woke up, go somewhere, and then you go sleep. It's like just the room. But this is more like your home. You can wake up and then you can go meditate or join yoga with teacher or by yourself. You can eat breakfast here, you can drink tea here, you can talk with neighbors about something, you can go to the city center shopping, you can stay here and meditate at the Ganga. And every evening at 4:30 it's puja here, so you can join puja. It's very interesting and like more spiritual.
So by the practice of the Agnihotra, when we practice in a home or we are practicing every day, it into means every week into the ashram to clean the environment of the ashram. So it's maintain the peace. Whoever comes into the ashram, so his mind can be get calmer, our energy can be more calmer, can help them to be get calmer down.
I will definitely recommend this place. I think everything is what you want. The pricing is good, the food is good, the accommodation is good. I've already recommended the place to a couple of my friends that want to come up. They was not sure where. Facebook is a wonderful thing, and I have already posted this place on Facebook. So definitely, I will recommend this.
The magic is happening simply. This is a magical place, you know. When you come here, you find that I'm in my home. First few days can be one day or 2 days. It can be for you like where I come. It can be a cultural shock, But next day when you come, you are a wild actually. We are the animals. We are wild, And when we see this one, that's wildness into us, that come up. And it's we see ourselves. Wild is not means unharming. Wild is also enjoying the things into that free way. And you feel that I find my space, my home, where I can be. In a home you are more wild, and in an office or in a street or everywhere you are more constructive. So you can express yourself more. And for that one, people is coming because people have it so much holding within them. And they need a space, that where they can express themselves.